Do you own an Android phone and a MacBook and miss the seamlessness of AirDrop? Well, if you do, then in this video, we are going to show you how to use AirDrop between Android and macOS. The app that we are going to use is NearDrop by Grishka. It is a little app that makes transferring files between Android and macOS so easy. So you can download it for free from the author's GitHub page, and links are in the description. Once the download is done, install the app. One thing to note is this app works when both the clients are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To begin, click on NearDrop from the app launcher. You will see a teardrop icon on the status bar at the top. Once NearDrop is running, give the app permission to post notifications when prompted. Upon clicking on the NearDrop icon, you will see your device name and device's visibility. Now, back to the Android side. Tap the Share button in the app on your Android phone, then select the Nearby option at the top of the share sheet. Give it a few seconds, and your Mac should eventually appear as a target on the Nearby Share screen. After selecting your map from the Nearby Share menu on Android, you should get a notification on the macOS side of things. Click the Options button on this notification, then choose Accept. It might take a minute or two, or perhaps longer depending on the file size, but you should find the file in your Downloads folder once the transfer is complete. And that's it. One thing to note is you can only use NearDrop on a Wi-Fi-based local area network that both your Mac and Android handset are connected to. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials for your iPhone and other tech products. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.